The evening was made even more memorable with the wisecracks, and so it was enjoyable but not boring or disturbing, which is meant by brouhaha as choice D and fuzz as choice F, where both of the choices mean a state of confused or noisy disturbance. Beside imbroglio as choice B and quagmire as choice C mean an extremely confused, complicated, or embarrassing situation which are contradictory to support a situation of mirth or euphoria, that is, amusement or merriment. So choice B, C, D, and choice F are unfit to fill the blank, making appropriate sense. So we can eliminate choice B, C, D, and choice F. Now, on the other hand, both banter as choice A and repartee as choice E mean conversation or speech characterized by quick, witty comments or replies which exactly merge with the memorable and mirthful wisecracks and witty conversations. So the correct answers are choice A and choice E.